Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be about Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. As you can already see from the title, and I have a lot of product to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. So very first product, and my favorite of course, it is from Shiseido or Shiseido, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it is Shiseido Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush. Okay, so this is cream to powder blush. So Shiseido is a Japanese company. It is Japanese high-end brand. So of course it is a little bit on a pricier side, but if you can invest in this, I mean if you can invest 2000 in a blush, please get your hands on this blush because this blush is extremely beautiful. So this is the shade, as you can see here. This is very moussey and very gel whipped kind of a formula. Okay, so when you take it out from the bottle, I mean from the pan, it looks like this. So this is the shade. Okay, it looks like this. I hope you can see the shade, and you just have to blend it with fingers. So when you blend it, it gives very soft baby pink flush to your cheeks, and yeah, it is a matte blush of course, as you can see here, and I'm wearing it on my cheeks today, and जिस दिन से ये मेरे हाथ में आया है ना, I cannot put it down, you know. This is so beautiful, the formula, the blendability, and the shade extremely to die for. So if you can invest in this, please definitely get your hands on this because this is beautiful blush, and the shade is you know, on point for Indian skin tone. I mean, whenever I used to search pink blush for, you know, my skin tone, एक तो जल्दी मिलता नहीं है because there are a lot of peach and orange and coral blushes which can suit Indian skin tone, but pink blush जो Indian skin tone को suit करे है ही नहीं. And I'm not a neutral or light blush kind of a person. I like dark blushes, you know, blushes जो bright लगे और face को glow provide करे और face उससे bright लगना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसे blushes पसंद हैं. So yeah, I got this, and if you can get your hands on this, definitely you should, because this worth each and every penny. And yeah, I know it is a bit of a pricier side, but trust me, you won't regret investing in this because this is so beautiful and it gives so baby pink flush to the cheeks. So yeah, and another favorite, let me share that product with you guys because इस product के लिए मैं कितने दिन से, you know, I was thinking कि मुझे ये product लेना चाहिए, but बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइसी था, तो I was, you know, thinking कि okay, डिस्काउंट पे आने दो, then I will buy. So it is this one. This is Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette, and can you beat that? It was on 50% discount. जब से Huda Beauty launch हुआ था ना Nykaa पे, तब से I was eyeing for this palette, but it is above 5,000. So लेने से पहले सोचना पड़ता है of course, but yeah, when I saw this on a 50% discount, I was like, dude, you are coming to me. I'm not going to leave you. And yeah, I know this is nothing new. बहुत जगह आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, but still I want to do my bit. So yeah, this is how the palette looks from the inside, and it is in the beautiful cardboard packaging, and yeah, it comes with a प्रोटेक्टिंग शील्ड जिसपे हुडा ब्यूटी की आईज बनी हुई है, हुडा की. सो या, शी हैज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल आईज बाय द वे, एंड या, दीज आर द शेड्स as you can see here. I can't wait to try this, you know, I can't wait to create so many looks with this palette. And yeah, the best part about this palette is it has a mirror, so you are sorted. When you have this palette, you don't need actually any other palette, I guess, because this is that beautiful. All the shades are so beautiful, and I can't wait to try this product. I can't wait to try this palette, you know, and I'm literally very happy with this purchase, you know. Moving on to the next product, it is this one. This is Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So before this I was using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. यार ये हमेशा ना टंग ट्विस्टर ही लगता है मुझे. I cannot say this Goof Proof Brow Pencil in one go. हो नहीं सकता. So I ordered this and this is how the pencil looks. I have used it today on my brows, and of course Benefit Cosmetics are known for their brow products. So, and yeah, I bought it in the shade 4 warm deep brown. Okay, so इससे पहले ना I was using 3 medium brown, but that time I had a highlights in my hair. So अभी तो सारे highlights चले गए हैं बाल में से, and natural color बालों का आ ही चुका है. So I thought let's order a darker one so it can match with my hair, और मेरे brows और मेरे hair दोनों अलग अलग planets के ना लगे. So that's why I ordered a darker shade. So wait, so this is how the pencil looks. This is very soft ash brown shade. So this makes the brow looking very natural, and it is a double-ended pencil. So it has a pencil at one end and it has a spoolie at other end. So yeah, complete package hai ye. Moving on to next purchase. My next purchase is this LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade orange and peach. So basically I purchased this to, you know, do a color correcting under my eyes, not on a regular basis, I mean on a special occasions. उसके लिए मुझे चाहिए था. तो I thought orange was too dark and peach was too light, so I'm gonna mix this two and then I'll make my own custom shade to to correct my under eyes and other dark spots on my face. So yeah, next purchase is, I'm quickly going to share everything, okay, because बहुत सारे products हैं and I don't want to make this video too long. So next product I purchased is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, as you can see here, and I purchased this in the shade Neutralizer, and I particularly prefer this shade Neutralizer because it has a very yellow undertones, so it works beautifully, you know, under my eyes, and it highlights my under eyes and bridge of my nose and everything so beautifully. So yeah, this is my favorite to, you know, highlight and conceal under my eyes. And talking about concealer and highlighting, contouring is equally important, right? So next product I purchased is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. So this is darkest shade, okay, and let me show you the shade. So this is really dark for my skin tone, so I purchased this, you know, to contour, do a cream contouring, because I have never tried cream contouring in my life. So cream contouring is extremely new to me, तो मुझे लगा कि let's try with this first. I was confused in between this and Huda Beauty Tantour, so I thought let me try cream contouring first with this, because if I don't like it then, because अभी तक तो मैंने सिर्फ powder contouring ही use की है to contour my cheekbones and jawline. So yeah, moving on to next product. So next product I bought is this Sigma का 3D HD Beauty Blender. So this came in a pack of 2. So इसमें एक black one है and the pink one I have used it today to do my base. So थोड़ा सा गंदा है. So yeah, and Sigma's beauty blenders are really very nice. They are very soft on the skin and it blends the foundation beautifully and it doesn't soaks up a lot of product. So it is beautiful. I mean, it gives very beautiful airbrushed finish to the face. तो और मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया हुआ है. सो या देयर वाज अ 20% डिस्काउंट गोइंग ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो या नेक्स्ट आई परचेज्ड दिस सिंपल फेस वॉश. तो मैंने 3 ऑर्डर किए थे, 2 यहाँ पे है और एक मेरे वॉशरूम में है. So this is simple refreshing facial wash and it is 100% soap free. So I'm using it since a week now and it is working absolutely fine for me. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा stripping नहीं है. It is not going to strip out all the moisture from your face, but it does the job of cleaning your face. Okay, so yeah, I really, so far I am liking this product. So next product I purchased is this. It is Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drops. This is how the bottle looks from inside. So one thing with this product is you have to be very quick. इतना जल्दी ये स्टॉक आउट होता है ना नायका पर से, इवन किसी भी वेबसाइट से ये बहुत जल्दी स्टॉक आउट हो जाता है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक. जैसे ही आता है वैसे ही यू हैव टू ऑर्डर इट. सो या दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. इन द हेयर केयर आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस ओल्डी बट द गुडी. बहुत ज़्यादा यूज प्रोडक्ट है ये. तो वेन एवर आई फील दैट माई हेयर इज़ वेरी टगिंग एंड पुलिंग एंड स्ट्रेचिंग फ्रॉम हेयर, वेदर खुले रहते हैं बाल तब भी यहाँ से बहुत ही खिंचा खिंचा सा फील होता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा पेन टाइप का फील होता है यहाँ पे स्कैल्प पे. सो मैं समझ जाती हूँ दैट माई स्कैल्प इज़ नॉट क्लियर्ड एट ऑल. क्लिन्स नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा शैम्पू जो है वो क्लिन्स नहीं कर रहा है प्रॉपरली मेरे हेयर को. सो देन आई यूज़ दिस क्लिनिक प्लस. सो इस पर भी ऑफर चल रहा था. देन आई थॉट ओके लेट्स ऑर्डर दिस ऑल्सो. So my next purchase was this. And so moving on to the next product, next I purchased is this. This is Klairs का Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask. So I bought this to use on a special occasion. I mean जब बहुत ही स्पेशल इवेंट हो, उससे पहले मेकअप लगाने से पहले I thought let's give this a go how it works, because no parlor at all. It has been a year yaar since I have visited the parlor, but yeah, you can't do anything. Safety is very important and safety comes first, of course. So now let me share a very special box with you. Okay, so this was the box sent to me by Becca Cosmetics and Nykaa, and I haven't paid a single penny for this. I mean this came to me as a gift, not PR. So please hear me out, okay? So if you have watched my previous Nykaa haul video, so you must be knowing that I have purchased Becca's backlight priming filter, जिसमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट जो थी वो 2022 मेंशन थी. सो आई हैव elaborated in detail in that video that what happened. So when I contacted Nykaa's customer care and Becca's customer care, of course, I mean Becca UK तक मुझे मेल करना पड़ा था इसके लिए, and they took up to 40 days and they told me, I mean बहुत ज़्यादा struggle के बाद they said that they are not going to take this product back, but they are going to send me a brand new product, Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and along with that they are going to send me some gifts as a compensation. इस box में ये 3 product आए थे. So talking about this first, this is a set of 3 lipsticks, 3 mini lipsticks came inside this box, and this is priced at rupees 2500 and इसमें 3 लिपस्टिक्स थी एंड ऑल आर ग्लॉसी, एक भी मैट नहीं है, बट फॉर्मूला एंड पिगमेंटेशन एंड कलर पे ऑफ इज एक्सीलेंट. सो या these are the all 3 lipsticks as you can see here. These are beautiful, and let me give you the hand swatch of each and every lipstick. Let me clear first. So okay, नहीं हो जाएगा. Let me give. So this is Rosewood. I am very bad at hand swatch. So this is Rosewood. and this one is Sugar. So this is very light baby pink kind of a shade, dusty pink. It is very light. It is light for my complexion, so I can mix it, but I cannot use it on its own. And the third one is Orchid. This is also very good shade. So this is a movie kind of a color, and all three lipsticks are in the glossy formula. So these are the lipsticks. You will see me using all these products in my upcoming video, okay? And talking about this box, so this has one Becca First Light Priming Filter and one Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blurring Primer and one Becca Moonstone Highlighter, okay? And it came in a beautiful packaging like this. मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है, but just to do a haul thing मैंने इसमें वापस से रखा था. So this is Becca's First Light Priming Filter. Packed है. I'm not going to open it because अभी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Becca Backlight Priming Filter, so I'll keep it like that only. And this is their another primer. This is also beautiful. But yeah, talking about this highlighter, this is a Moonstone highlighter and this is lighter than the Champagne Pop. So, and I have applied it today, okay? So as you can see it here, let me give you the hand swatch of it. So this formula is so beautiful, you know, and this highlighter glides like butter on your face, and this gives a very beautiful sheen and beautiful glow to the face. So yeah, let me show you comparison. So I have a swatch card of Becca highlighters, okay? There are 3 highlighters in this. This one is Champagne Pop and this one is Opal and this one is darkest, I guess, Chocolate Jawed. I don't know how to pronounce it, so please excuse me. So let me show you the comparison with Champagne Pop because that one is really famous, okay? And I have used both. I mean swatch card से मैंने use किया था. So both are nice. I mean, you can see this is Champagne Pop and this is Moonstone. This is more of a champagne gold kind of a shade and this is more of a beige gold kind of a shade. So if you have an extremely light skin tone and fairer skin tone, so Moonstone will look absolutely stunning on you. And Champagne Pop is obviously a universal shade. Everybody loves it, so उसके लिए कुछ ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So yeah, here we came to an end of this video. Please let me know which was your favorite product and do consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.